Are you getting ready to sell your home and wondering how to make it stand out? With the right home staging tips for selling a house, you can significantly increase your chances of getting top dollar for your property. In this video, we'll explore 8 staging tips that are not only effective, but also easy on your wallet. Whether you're looking for easy home staging ideas or home staging on a budget, these strategies will help you create a space that buyers can't resist. So let's quickly dive in. Hi, I'm Shannon Rose from the Rose Group, where our real estate strategy becomes your opportunity. As a seasoned realtor, I have seen firsthand how the right staging can make a world of difference in attracting buyers and securing great offers. So let's dive into 8 practical and effective staging tips that can transform your home without breaking the bank. Number 8, declutter and depersonalize, the foundation of staging. First things first, let's talk about decluttering. I know, it's not the most exciting task, but trust me, it's absolutely crucial. Think of it this way. You're not just organizing, you're creating space for potential buyers to envision their own lives in your home. Start by going room by room and being ruthless about what you keep. That collection of knickknacks you've been holding on to, it might be time to pack it away. Family photos, as cherished as they are, they can distract buyers from seeing the house as potentially theirs. And here's a pro tip. Rent a storage unit for a month or 2. It's a very small investment that can pay off big time. By clearing out the excess furniture and personal items, you're not just making space to make it look bigger, you're giving buyers a blank canvas to work with. Remember, home staging on a budget doesn't mean you have to get rid of everything. It's about striking a balance. Keep enough furniture to show the purpose of each room, but remove anything that makes the space feel cramped or overly personalized. And don't forget about those closets and storage areas. Buyers will peek inside, and a cluttered closet can give the impression that the house lacks storage. Neatly organize what's left and consider using matching hangers or storage boxes for a polished look. Number 7, deep clean like you've never cleaned before. Now that you've decluttered, it's time to clean. And I mean really clean. This is one of the most impactful home staging ideas that doesn't cost much more than your time and some elbow grease. Start from the ceiling and work your way down. Dust those ceiling fans, wipe down the walls, and don't forget about baseboards and windowsills. These are areas that buyers will notice, even if subconsciously. Pay attention to the kitchen and bathrooms. These areas can make or break a sale. Scrub those tiles until they shine, and make sure your appliances are spotless. A sparkling clean home gives the impression that it's been well maintained, which is hugely appealing to buyers. A home staging act that I always recommend is focus on the details that buyers might not even realize they're noticing. Clean the inside of your windows. It lets in more light and just feels fresher. Polish doorknobs and light switch plates. These small touches can make a big difference in the overall impression of your home. And don't forget about odors. Sometimes we become a little nose blind to our own home's scents. So ask a friend to give you an honest opinion. If there are any lingering smells, address them at the source rather than trying to mask them with air fresheners. A truly clean home should smell neutral, not perfumed. 6, let there be light. Maximize natural and artificial lighting. Lighting can make or break the ambiance of your home, and it's one of the easiest things to improve when staging your home to sell. Start by maximizing natural light. It's free and incredibly effective. So open up those curtains and blinds. If you have heavy drapes, consider replacing them with lighter, sheer options that let more light through. And then clean your windows inside and out. You'd be amazed at how much difference this can make. Now, let's talk about artificial lighting. This is where you can really set the mood. Replace any burnout bulbs and consider upgrading the higher wattage bulbs in areas that feel dim. Also, aim for a mix of lighting types in each room, some overhead, task, even accent lighting under the cabinets or something. And the pro tip alert here is use warm white bulbs in living areas and bedrooms for a cozy feel, and cooler white bulbs in kitchens and bathrooms for a clean, fresh look. And don't forget about outdoor lighting. It can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal for evening showings. Try adding some strategically placed lamps to brighten up dark corners. Floor lamps can add height to a room, while table lamps can create a warm, inviting glow. If you're on a budget, you can often find great lamps at thrift stores or discount home goods stores. A well-lit home feels more spacious, welcoming, and well-maintained. It's an easy and effective way to make your home shine, literally. Number 5, create a neutral palette, paint, and decor. When it comes to home staging ideas, creating a neutral palette is key. It's not about making your home boring. It's about creating a blank canvas that allows potential buyers to envision themselves living there. So start with your walls. If you have bold or unusual colors, consider repainting them in neutral tones. I'm not talking about just white. Think warm beiges, soft grays, or light taupes. These colors are universally appealing and can make your space feel larger and more cohesive. Don't stop at the walls though. Look at your furniture and decor. If you have brightly colored or heavily patterned pieces, consider swapping them out for more neutral options. You don't have to buy new furniture. Slipcovers can be a budget-friendly way to neutralize a bold sofa or an armchair. Accessories are where you can add pops of color, but do it sparingly. A few colorful throw pillows or a vibrant piece of art can add interest without overwhelming the space. The goal is to create a look that's fresh and appealing to a wide range of tastes. And remember, neutral doesn't mean boring. Texture is your friend. Mix different materials like wood and metal, glass, and textiles to add depth and interest to your neutral palette. This creates a sophisticated, layered look that appeals to buyers. 4, focus on curb appeal. First impressions matter. They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and that's especially true when it comes to selling your home. Curb appeal is crucial. It's what gets buyers in the door and sets the tone for the entire viewing. Start with the basics. Make sure your lawn is mowed, hedges are trimmed, and any dead plants are removed. If your home's exterior paint is looking a bit tired, consider a fresh coat. It's an investment that can significantly boost your home's perceived value. Add some color with potted plants or flowers near the entrance. A well-placed bench or a couple of rocking chairs on the porch can create an inviting atmosphere. And don't forget about your front door. A fresh coat of paint in a welcoming color can make a big impact. Ensure your house numbers are clearly visible and consider updating your mailbox if it's looking worn. These small details matter more than you might think. Lighting is important for curb appeal too, especially if potential buyers might be driving by in the evening. Solar-powered path lights are an inexpensive way to illuminate your walkway, and a well-lit entrance feels safe and welcoming. The goal is to make potential buyers excited to see what's inside before they even step through the door. Number 3, create functional, inviting spaces. When staging your home, it's important to show potential buyers how each space can be used. This is especially crucial if you have any awkward or unusual areas in the home. Start by defining the purpose of each room clearly. If you've been using a spare room as a catch-all storage space, clear it out and stage it as a proper bedroom or home office. This helps buyers see the full potential of the home. And in the living areas, arrange furniture to create conversation areas. Float furniture away from the walls to make the room feel more spacious and inviting. And make sure there's a clear path through each room. You want potential buyers to be able to move through the space easily. Don't forget about those often overlooked spaces like alcoves or under-stair areas. A small desk or a cozy reading nook can turn these into charming features rather than wasted space. In the kitchen, clear off the countertops as much as possible. A few strategically placed items like a bowl of fresh fruit or a stylish coffee maker can add warmth without clutter. Make sure your pantry and cabinets are organized. Yes, buyers will look inside. Stage your outdoor areas too. A few comfortable chairs and a small table on the patio can help buyers envision enjoying their morning coffee outside. 2, add thoughtful touches. The devil's in the details. It's the little things that can make a big difference when staging your home. These thoughtful touches can help create an emotional connection with potential buyers, making them more likely to envision themselves living in the space. In the bathroom, roll up some fluffy towels and display them neatly. Add a new shower curtain and a bath mat if yours are looking a bit worn. A small vase of fresh flowers or a few green plants can add life to any room. In the bedroom, make the bed with crisp, clean linens and add a few decorative pillows for a luxurious hotel-like feel. A throw blanket casually draped over the foot of the bed or a reading chair adds warmth and texture. And don't forget about appealing to other senses. A bowl of fresh lemons in the kitchen not only looks great, but adds a subtle fresh scent. In the living room, a few carefully chosen coffee table books can add interest and personality without being too personal. Remember, less is more. A few well-placed accessories will have more impact than a cluttered array of knickknacks. The goal is to create a space that feels lived in and welcoming, but not overly personal. And finally, number 1, capture it all, the power of professional photos. In today's digital age, many potential buyers will first see your home online. That's why professional photography is one of the most important home staging tips for selling a house. Even if you've done an amazing job with all the previous staging tips, poor quality photos can turn buyers off before they even consider scheduling a viewing. Professional photos can showcase your home in its best light, highlighting its best features, and creating an emotional connection with potential buyers. A professional photographer will know how to use lighting and angles to make your rooms look spacious and inviting. They can capture those small details you've put so much effort into, from the gleaming countertops to the cozy reading nook. Don't forget about those exterior shots. A beautiful photo of your home's exterior can be the difference between a buyer clicking on your listing or scrolling right past it. Twilight shots, where the exterior and landscape lightings create a warm, inviting glow, can be particularly effective. Consider creating a virtual tour as well. In a competitive market, this gives your listing an edge and allows buyers to get a feel for the flow of your home before they even visit in person. What's noteworthy here is that these photos aren't just for online listings. They can be used in print materials, email campaigns, and social media marketing to attract potential buyers from all channels. By implementing these 8 staging tips, you're not just preparing your house for sale, you're creating a home that buyers can envision themselves living in. And that's the key to selling your house for top dollar. Happy staging! Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in learning about the easy home staging ideas to sell your home for top dollar. If you liked this video and you want to know more about real estate tips related to buying or selling your home, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to learn even more, I have a bunch of videos and a playlist about California home buying tips and tricks. So just click on the box on the screen to watch. Also, you can check out the description to watch more relevant videos. I've mentioned the link below, and if you want to connect with me directly, my contact info is mentioned in the description box below too. So remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my socials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get all the updates. Comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Once again, I'm Shannon Rose with the Rose Group, where our real estate strategy becomes your opportunity. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.